Let's begin by introducing the supply parts and hardware. We have right side, left side panniers and a cross brace. The hardware, 4 M8 by 35mm long bolts plus 2 open-ended spacers, and then 2 M8 by 70mm long bolts plus washers, and then 2 M8 by 20mm long bolts plus washers, and 4 M6 by 20mm long bolts, washers, and nylock nuts. 5 5 and 6mm Allen bits, as well as a T40 Torx bit, a 10mm wrench or spanner, and ratchet plus extensions. Okay, you can begin by removing the OEM passenger foot peg bolts as shown in the video, and then you can replace them with our supplied M8 by 35s. Don't forget to apply some blue Loctite on those bolts. Spin them in and leave them loose, and repeat the very same steps on the other side as well. Okay, now we are ready to mount the left side pannier rack. Go ahead with the bolts as shown on the screen. M20 at the back, M8 by 70 in the middle, and then don't forget about the open-ended spacer as shown in the video again right there, and then repeat the same steps again on the other side. Very same steps, absolutely no difference. Make sure that you leave the bolts nice and loose. You want to be able to move and rattle the structure. And then you can mount the cross brace, M6 by 20mm long bolts, washers, and nylock nuts. Spin on the nylock nuts and leave everything nice and loose. And once that's all done, you can begin to tighten the bolts gradually. We also suggest that you go out for a test ride, and after the test ride, double check all the bolts and nuts once again. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email info@outbackmotortech.com, or you can call toll free 877-931-3636. Thank you for watching.